going on, everybody? Bones here with CAJUN. Hope you're doing fine. Y'all know I'm making it. If you're new to the channel, please consider liking and subscribing so you don't miss any future videos. Now, today marks season 4 of CAJUN. I would have loved to have started it outside my shack, but well, the weather here has had other plans. See, it's been raining here pretty much non-stop for the past month and a half, and well, I can get in a small cook here, small cook there, but nothing real big, nothing long. So, gotta get in cook somewhere. Today, we're gonna do up another air fried with bones video. Today's topic, taco wings. You know it's gonna be tasty. You know it's gonna be good. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, I went ahead, patted them dry, let them hang out in the fridge for at least an hour so that way the skin can crisp up. We're going to go ahead and spritz them down with some spray oil. These are real simple, real easy wings. Today we're using up, where is it? Dax no salt seasoning. It's got paprika, red and black pepper in there, some onion powder, garlic powder, ancho chili powder, and other spices. Hit up all sides of this wing. Got these from my mom before she passed away, so not gonna throw them out. Gonna use them. They taste real good. Just got no salt. Gonna go ahead now, move them over to the rack. And we're going to go ahead and get our air fryer up to temp. Alright. Click it to air fry. 400 degrees. 15 minutes. Go ahead and start. Once it hits ready, we're going to go ahead and put them in. We're going to go ahead and put these in now. Alright, wings are done. Oh yeah. Looking real good. And we're done. Literally 15 minutes at 400 on an air fryer and you're good to go. Still be trying to get everything set up and ready to go on your charcoal or pellet grills. Although I love me charcoal and pellets. Don't get me wrong. But hey, you got a hankering for some wings. It's raining. You're done. Literally no time at all. So let's go ahead and get this cracking. Oh yeah, folks. That's what I'm talking about. Nice spice. Good with the ancho chili powder and red pepper flakes. Definitely got it going here. If you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Thank you and have a good day.